Have you ever stopped to think about what makes your joints move so smoothly, or, what keeps your skin firm and able to bounce back? Well, today we're going to dive into the microscopic world of the body's unsung heroes, these incredible molecules responsible for all of that and a whole lot more, the heteropolysaccharides.
Really think about it for a second. The human body is just amazing. We move, we bend, we stretch all day, every day, and we don't even give it a second thought. Our blood is flowing perfectly, not clotting up, and our skin just snaps right back into place. How does all this happen so seamlessly? It honestly feels like it should be magic, but it's not. It's just brilliant microscopic chemistry at work.
So in this explainer, we're going to pull back the curtain on this whole mystery. We'll kick things off by answering that big question. Then, we'll get into what these molecular architects actually are. We'll meet the most important family, the GAGs, and see what they do. From there, we'll jump into why they're so critical in medicine, and finally, we'll wrap it all up with the keynotes you need to remember.
Okay, let's get right to it. We started with a puzzle. What are these molecular shock absorbers that keep our bodies running so well? Let's solve that right now. The answer to how our bodies pull off these incredible feats of lubrication, staying clot-free, and having structural strength, it all comes down to one special class of molecules, heteropolysaccharides. You can think of them as the body's master architects and engineers, just quietly working in the background to hold everything together.
So, we have our answer, heteropolysaccharides. But what on earth are they? To really get a handle on their power, we've got to break down what they're made of.
Okay, so to understand what they are, it actually helps to first know what they're not. You're probably familiar with homopolysaccharides like starch or glycogen, right? They're just long, simple chains of a single sugar like glucose, and their whole job is to store energy. Well, heteropolysaccharides are totally different. They're built from multiple different types of sugar units, and their main job isn't energy at all. It's all about providing structure.
So here's the more official definition. They're long polymers, sometimes called heteroglycans, and they're made of a repeating two-sugar unit. But we're not talking about just any simple sugars. These are often modified with special chemical groups, like an amino group, which makes an amino sugar, or an acid group, which makes it uronic acid. And trust me, these little chemical tweaks are the absolute key to everything they do.
Now that we've got the basics down, let's zoom in a bit. Because in the whole world of heteropolysaccharides, there's one family that is just king in the human body. It's time to meet the real workhorses, the GAGs.
Right, glycosaminoglycans, or GAGs for short. These are the true superstars here. Their main job is to form the ground substance. You can think of that as the biological cement or gel that fills up all the space between our cells. GAGs almost never work alone. They team up with proteins to build these huge structures called proteoglycans. And it's these complexes that create that strong, watery matrix that gives tissues like cartilage all of their structure and support.
The repeating unit of a JAG follows a very specific recipe, as you can see here. You've almost always got an amino sugar, or a hexosamine, and a uronic acid. But the secret ingredient, the one that really gives JAGs their superpower, is the addition of these highly negative sulfate groups.
And this is where the magic happens, where structure creates function. Those sulfate and carboxyl groups are packed with negative charge. This makes the whole GAG molecule act like a powerful magnet for water, just soaking it up like a sponge. And this creates a thick, gel-like substance that can resist being squished, making them the perfect molecular shock absorbers.
Okay, so we know what they're made of, and we know why their chemical structure is so important. Now, let's meet a few of the star players from the GAG family and actually see them in action inside our bodies.
This table just shows you how incredibly versatile the GAG family is. Look at hyaluronic acid. It's the superstar lubricant in our joints. Then you've got chondroitin sulfate, giving brute structural strength to our cartilage. But then look at heparin. It's in our blood, and that heavy dose of sulfate groups totally changes its function, turning it into a powerful anticoagulant. And finally, you have something like keratin sulfate, which does the unbelievably delicate job of keeping our corneas perfectly clear. Every single GAG is chemically tweaked for a very specific job in a specific tissue. It's amazing.
Now, this fascinating molecular stuff isn't just theory. It has huge consequences for our health. For any medical student out there, understanding GAGs is absolutely essential because it's right at the heart of so many diagnoses and treatments. So let's talk about why this matters in the clinic.
The clinical relevance of GAGs is just massive. It covers everything from really devastating genetic disorders to life-saving drugs, and from treating arthritic joints all the way to cosmetic applications. Making sure they're working properly is absolutely critical.
And when things go wrong, the results can be severe. Mucopolysaccharidoses are a group of inherited diseases where the enzymes that are supposed to break down and recycle GAGs just don't work. This causes GAGs to build up inside cells, leading to widespread damage to organs, bones, and the nervous system. Hurler syndrome is a really tragic example of what happens when this delicate system gets messed up.
But on the flip side, we can also harness the power of GAGs for good. Heparin, with that dense negative charge from all its sulfate groups, is a cornerstone of modern medicine. We use it as a powerful anticoagulant to prevent and treat life-threatening blood clots in things like deep vein thrombosis and heart attacks.
And let's bring it all back to our joint lubricant, hyaluronic acid. Its incredible ability to bind water and absorb shock is used directly in treatments. It can be injected right into osteoarthritic joints to bring back that lubrication and cushioning. And that exact same ability to hydrate and create volume is what makes it a star ingredient in cosmetic dermal fillers.
All right, we have covered a ton of ground, from basic chemistry all the way to life-saving drugs. So let's boil it all down to the most important, high-yield facts to really help you lock this information in for your exams.
First, always remember, heteropolysaccharides are for structure, not for energy. The key family you need to know is the glycosaminoglycans, or GAGs. Their basic building block is that repeating unit of a hexosamine and a uronic acid. It's their high negative charge that grabs water and gives them their awesome shock-absorbing power. And finally, remember they link up with proteins to form those massive complexes called proteoglycans, which build the whole matrix of our connective tissue.
And hey, if you need a really simple way to remember their main jobs, just think of this mnemonic. GAGs help our bodies form gels, absorb shock, and glue our tissues together. GAG, simple as that.
So I'll leave you with one final thought to tie this all together. It's pretty incredible to think that the simple biochemical act of adding a sulfate group, just that tiny chemical tweak, can transform a basic sugar polymer into a powerful, life-saving drug like heparin. It's a perfect example of how in biochemistry, the absolute smallest details can have the most massive consequences. Thanks for tuning in.